Hey guys, good day to you. Today I want to share this typography effect. So the outcome is look like this. We also can apply the design like this. So how can we do it? How can I do it as a Canva free user, Canva free version user? Even you are the Canva Pro user, also can achieve this effect. So first of all, I copy this previous my canvas, the type, the text put over here, and then this text name is a Genty. Then I replace this text becoming white color. Then the background color I just change to yellow. But if you use the Photopeer to remove this background color, it doesn't matter what you choose your background color. But if you are the Canva Pro user, you want to use your own this benefit, so you have to make the color becoming like this. Okay, so this one I will replace to white, so we doesn't see anything. So we have to, if you Canva Pro user, you want to remove the background, so you have to cannot make the full picture becoming white, the yellow color. So for example, this is I make the demo for those people is a Canva Pro user. So here we can see this text have the white, have the yellow color, have a yellow color like this. So the text behind the text must be used the yellow color. Okay, look like this. So now I'm download these two picture, the picture number 2 and picture number 3. Click download. Okay, then come to the we click just now this one. So this is the picture. If you use the remove BG, you have to use like this type. Surrounding have a white, yellow and white. So this is similar when you upload to your file. For example, just now this one. If you are the Canva Pro user, you can use this kind of technique, but some of the people, the user is Canva free user, so they have to use like a remove BG, but the technique is like this. Or if you familiar or you want to follow my step, you can just use this Photopeer website, and totally is free without any sign in or registration. You just use this kind of the free software, upload from your PC or computer, come to here the top area, select, click the magic range, then you choose this type to becoming 5 means he will make this dot becoming more smoothly. So now we can see the dot around here, but we want cut the white color text only. So after we click just now the one, we can click one more time, select the inverse, or this one, Command plus I, click it and then press delete. Then this one is remove the text white color. Then we come to files. We can come to export as PNG like this. Then we can give this file name like 2-1. So we will more save it. Then will be more easier to do our project. So we come to upload file. Just now the download the item. This one, remove the text white color as from the Photopeer. We click upload. So this is one, if you are the Canva Pro user, you can use this type to remove background. So remove background is like come to edit image and then just click this one, then he will help you to remove the white color and this white color text. So the result is similar. So sorry about that, it's not similar, it's same like just now I show you this one. So click download, so the result is same like this. The result is same. Yes, the result is same like this. Okay, then I can choose any the pictures, like for example just now I used this one, and then becoming like this background. Then you can use this kind of technique. If you are the Canva Pro user, you can use this kind of technique like this, cut to the suitable, then you can scrub up like until this red color guideline to appear like this. But if you use the remove BG, the result is not so nice, because this have reduced the color the effect. But if you use Canva Pro, this elements or this benefit is good for you. So what can I do now is I can make this becoming white color. How do I do? Just come here, edit, come to tool color, click one time, click two times, change both color becoming white, applied. Okay, done. So this is the result like this. Then what can I do is I can make like this element. I can choose white color, for example like this, to fully cover the page. Fully cover the page, then becoming the result I want. We coming to here to copy just now the text, and then right click, paste it, overlay here. Then we can select this text effect becoming hollow, and then you can choose to this thickness you want, just like this. Also can look like 3D effect, or you want to adjust same with the text as well. We also can delete this white color text first, then remain like this. They have a different kind of white color shape I cover up. So now I just coming here to download the column pages number 4, column page number 4, just download and then upload one more time to Canva. So okay, this is what I want. Just upload the picture. So at the same time I can come in here, and then if you are the Canva free user, you're coming here to edit, remove background. Then this is that one I want, but I'm not the Canva Pro account user, so you have to upload this photo to remove the background, and then you upload one more time. The result is same step like that. So just download. Okay, this is the result I want. Upload the remove one. Okay, the result is like that. Make this text, this one is a whole remove the background text like this. Now you just come to the breakout photo to make like this, then right click, send it back. So this photo you can be reduced, okay, 50%. Then this one I going up to here. This photo I can duplicate one more, put in the same location angle, then just make it like this. Okay, can be make like this. Then finally I need the white color holo text to here, like this. Okay, the white color text like this. So this is the remove BG to come out the result, or you also can use another like a photopier to cutting the text as well. You can right click, set as an image background. We come to this one is removed by the photopier. We can scroll up this text like this. Then before we click any photo or whatever, just click edit image, click here, choose one of them, select the both color, highlight the color, we change to white, shadow I also change to white, applied it. After done, apply. After done this step, I just make this PNG page becoming half. I also right click one more time to duplicate one more time. This time I will fully to the right, and then now becoming two of this holo text. I can play around here like this, also quite nice, but this one will look like disappear something. I can right click this one, copy just now the holo text as well, with the thickness is maybe about 10 to 15 to 17 is up to you. So this is another holo text outcome. But just now I realized I also can use this technique to becoming the holo text is like a married you, becoming like this design is quite, and then you can apply some of the animation elements from here. Then you can text the name for the couples like this. So how can I do it? So first of all, I make this one becoming white color text and then pink color background. One more time, what I want to do is go to elements, select the couples. Yep, this is one of them. It's just one of the photo, just say as an image because is look like that. Click upload. Just now the one is called married. Then this text is becoming, remove the text, becoming holo text, fully cover like this. Then I just make this text becoming this picture becoming half from here, duplicate, same like this. Sorry about that, this one must be like this as well. Then apply the merit. Okay, this text, right click, copy, paste it, and then I apply this text becoming holo. Thickness is depend. So this text I also can from the white color change to pink color if you want it. Okay, if you want it. and then maybe the just now the thickness, because due to I make becoming white, so maybe I choose about the thickness 25. It's like this. Then you can come to elements, select those items like this church, for example, this beautiful rose as well. So those name is called elements. You just key in love. Once you can see this animation, or you can click love animation as well. So when you just searching the animation, the love animation you want, just play around over there, then just whatever you want to put, and then you can finally just expose up, and then you upload one more time, add in the married the music as a background, then you becoming your video. Okay, so this is, we also can click one of this animation and then click this 3 dot to make this same back or same to backward as well. Then key in the name. Okay, we can come here to magic recommendation, see all, find something you want is suitable or suit into your design like this. I think should be very interesting or very good. Then what you want to do, maybe some flower. We also can put some flower over here, over there, like this. Then finally you can key in the tags, and then you put these tags to the right position like this. And then you also can change the font. For example, you can just put John and Windy, that. And then you can come to effect, this text effect, come to curve, we can choose okay to like this, and then like this as well. Maybe this text I change to white color, maybe it would be more better. Okay, so this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.